just think of all the non-bankable people in the world. Around 1.7 billion are not non-bankable currently. So they have no access to financial services, to any bank accounts, etc. So what kind of solutions do we have currently? We have the money remittance services, like Western Union or something like that. And there they can go and buy some services to transfer money somewhere, but the fees are really, really high. So it's not really a good solution. Then the second possibility, what you might think about, is currently like the currency token, like Bitcoin, what we have currently. So you don't have to pay all the fees and you don't need a bank, which is good, but you only need the internet. This is good. But the problem with a Bitcoin, for example, is that the value is fluctuating a lot. It's not stable at all. So maybe a stablecoin could be a solution for that. So you have the advantages from the currency token like Bitcoin. You don't need a bank account and you can transfer it in the internet. But it might be more stable with the value because they are backed with some kind of currencies like the dollar or whatever, or with other cryptocurrencies. So there might be a good solution for the non-bankable people in the world. That's always a tricky question because there doesn't exist a stablecoin regulation or a token regulation or something like that. It's like what we always do when something new comes up. We take the existing old regulation and try how it fits to the new stuff that comes up. So this is exactly what we do here. So it's always a question, first, what is it? Is it a security? Is it a financial instrument? Is it e-money or the German extra sausage, the investment product? Or there comes a lot into consideration. There are a lot of different things. And this is the first question, what is the stable coin? And then once we have found out what it is, then we look at the second question. Who might be regulated how? And here we must always distinguish. On the one side, we have the issuer and other service provider. And the issuer, for example, he could have a license requirements. If they issue e-money, for example, you need an e-money license. Also with regard to the service provider, we must make a distinction between, like for example, if you have a crypto exchange platform or if you have a service like a wallet service provider. For the crypto exchange, it might be, for example, the multilateral trading facility, or it must be a brokering service where you require a specific license for, or with regard to the wallet service provider, it's quite funny because in Germany it's the second extra sausage that we have in Germany, which was implemented in the beginning of 2020 together with the AML regulation. So now it's a new regulated service if you offer wallets, crypto wallets. So if you have, like, for example, a funds flow, it might be a payment license that you require. So it always depends exactly on the service that you offer and on the kind of financial instrument or security, etc. Yeah, actually we do a lot of work for different kind of token, crypto and all this stuff. We advise some wallet service providers, some crypto exchanges, some STOs, ICOs, the whole range, which is quite interesting. But we also have one issuer of stablecoins, which is quite popular. And yeah, we analyze the different features of this stablecoin under German law and under European law. And to be honest, this is very, very complex, and I was really, really surprised how such a structure can be complex. But quite interesting, and I think it might be the future, yeah?